Is it the right time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has ranked Taiwan Semiconductor as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Taiwan Semiconductor has shown impressive growth of 14.69% since we first recommended buying the stock 14 days ago. This amounts to an average daily return of 1.05% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Our system indicates high volatility and risk for the following trading day, with a score of 0. Given the latest developments, it's uncertain which direction the stock will take next. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. In case of any pullbacks, there is now support at the previous trend line, which was broken at $111. This level may present a second opportunity for a successful trade. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is projected to be around $117.89, which may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 22.27% change in the stock price over the next 3 months. The potential return falls within the range of 8.55% to 15.74%. Analyzing the 12-month trend, there is a projected 10.19% change in the stock price over the next year. The potential return lies between -17.47% and 7.07%. Therefore, the stock's price range after a year could be anywhere from $96.78 to $125.55. Our latest update on Taiwan Semiconductor brings good news. It was a green day for the company on Friday. The stock price of Taiwan Semiconductor increased by 0.601% during the last trading day, going from $116.56 to $117.26. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. We are eagerly waiting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the next few days. On the last trading day, the stock's price fluctuated between a low of $116.30 and a high of $118.04, showing a 1.49% difference. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has risen by an impressive 15.85%, and it has risen in 9 out of the last 10 days. The volume of shares traded decreased by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of 9 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.10 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Taiwan Semiconductor stock was $118.85, while the lowest price was $81.21. Currently, the stock price is 1.33% or $1.59 below the 52-week high and 19.13% or $27.74 below the all-time high reached on January 13, 2022, when the price peaked at $145. Today, I want to talk about some recent analyst ratings for TSM. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, November 16, 2023, UBS also gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Let's go back to Thursday, July 20, 2023, when Wedbush gave TSM an outperform grade with a hold action. And guess what? On the same day, Needham again gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Going back a bit further, on Thursday, June 1, 2023, Needham once more gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general buy rating. They have rated the PE ratio as buy and the price to book as also buy. Additionally, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of price corrections, there will be support at $114.96 and $104.45. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 4, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 18.29%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it is important to note that the volume fell during the last trading day despite the price increase. This divergence between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is crucial to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence signal indicates a buy. The pivot signal showed a buy 16 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicated a buy 3 days ago. The short-term moving average signal showed a buy 15 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicated a buy 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 57 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average signal showed a buy 9 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicated a buy 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 44 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor has found support from accumulated volume at $116.52. This is an important level to watch as it could present a buying opportunity. When support is tested, we often see an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, Taiwan Semiconductor has average movements during the day and trades with good volume. This suggests that the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at recent data, the stock has moved $1.74 between its high and low, or 1.49%, in the past day. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.16%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current stock price to its earnings per share. In the case of Taiwan Semiconductor, its PE ratio falls within a normal range, which is often observed in established companies with consistent revenues. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. When it comes to resistance levels, there's currently no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. To take advantage of this, you might consider entering a position and using volume as an indicator for your exit strategy. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor faces its first support level at $116.52. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $113.87, representing a decrease of 2.89%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, which indicates a moderate level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 89, which significantly increases the overall risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 15 days ago, further supporting a positive outlook. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? While Taiwan Semiconductor holds several positive signals, we believe it is currently best to consider it as a hold candidate in your portfolio. This means you can hold or accumulate more shares while keeping an eye on further developments. Our analysis of the volatility and movements in the last trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. When trading resumes on Monday, January 29th, we anticipate Taiwan Semiconductor to open with a decrease of $0.0593, starting at $117.20. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Agree or disagree? Comment below and share your insights. What's your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.